Start. Thus, the ground of ill health pleaded by the learned advocate for the applicant would hold no ground, as this court is of a candid opinion that the applicant, instead of cooperating with the investigating agency, had absconded and had got himself admitted in the hospital at his native in Rajasthan with a view to evade the process of law full stop. In view of the aforesaid facts and circumstances, this code is of a candid opinion that custodial interrogation of the present applicant is a must to reach to unearth the larger conspiracy full stop. It is necessary to unravel the modus operandi adopted by the applicant in committing the larger conspiracy, and without interrogation it would be possible to collect the relevant evidence resulting into incomplete investigation full stop. It is also crystal clear that the applicant, with a view to avoid arrest, has filed the present application, and therefore, instead of cooperating the investigation, have tried to thwart the same, and thus it can be said that the applicant is not cooperating in the investigation full stop. Para. This code has also cannot lose sight of the fact that investigation in the matter is still under progress, and release the applicant at this premature stage would pave way for the applicant to influence the investigation, hamper the witnesses, and temper the evidence. Para. Despite this order, it would be open for the investigating agency to apply to the competent magistrate for police remand of the applicant. Full stop. The applicant shall remain present before the learned magistrate on the first date of hearing of such application, and on all subsequent occasions as may be directed by the learned magistrate. Full stop. This would be sufficient to treat the accused in the judicial custody for the purpose of entertaining application of the prosecution for police remand. Full stop. This is, however, without prejudice to the right of the accused to seek stay against an order of remand if ultimately granted, and the power of the learned magistrate to consider such a request in accordance with law. Full stop. It is clarified that the applicant, even if remanded to the police custody upon completion of such period of police remand, shall be set free immediately, subject to other conditions of this anticipatory bail order. Full stop. At the trial court shall not be influenced by the prima facie observations made by this court while enlarging the applicant on bail. Full stop. Rule is made absolute. Full stop. Direct service is permitted. Para. Rejection of bail is a non-bailable case at the initial stage, and the cancellation of bail is so granted have to be considered and dealt with on different bases. Full stop. Very cogent and overwhelming circumstances are necessary for an order directing the cancellation of the bail already granted. Full stop. Generally, Speaking the grounds for cancellation of bail broadly illustrative and not exhaustive are interference or attempt to interfere with the due course of administration of justice or evasion or attempt to evade the due course of justice or abuse of the concession granted to the accused in any manner. Stop.